Hello, today I'm sitting here with Stephanie from Rumble Interior. Stephanie, tell me a little bit, what is Feng Shui?
Feng Shui. Feng Shui is a way to maneuver your home so that you set up with intention and you can manifest different things in your life. You can use your home as like a living, breathing vision board. Depending on where your different rooms sit in your home is depending on which section they land in what we call the Boggle map. The Boggle map is a map of 9 different sections of your house, and they represent everything in your life. Prosperity, fame and reputation, love and relationships, children and creativity, skills and knowledge, helpful people and travel, career, family, and health. And
so then it's important when you're setting up your house that the energy or the Feng Shui flows, that everything's set up right. Is that correct?
Yeah, like you know what you're talking about. Yes. Impressed.
What can people do to have that good flow through their house? What are some easy things that maybe someone could do today if they wanted to?
Well, I think in your bathroom, for instance, bathroom doors and toilet seats, if you leave your toilet seat or your bathroom door open, that's where all your money goes down the toilet. Okay. So if you shut your toilet seat down, which ladies love that when I tell that to their husbands, and then shut your bathroom door all the time. So that way nothing can flow down the drain. You can also clear off the top of your fridge. So that's a great place to have nothing. Most people store a lot of stuff up there and to have the energy flow through. So if there's a bunch of crap laying around, the energy basically gets blocked. Mm-hmm. We call it chi. Chi energy, same thing. So if you're trying to get that energy to flow around evenly through the home. So when there's a bunch of stuff everywhere, it doesn't flow.
So even if you use the stuff on your fridge, on top of your fridge, still it's better to be in a cabinet?
Technically. Another thing you can do is, in Feng Shui, your stove represents money as well. So it doesn't matter if your kitchen is in your prosperity section, the burners, the more burners you have is the more wealth that you have. So you want to keep your stove really, really clean all the time. And then you put a mirror back behind your stove so that the mirror reflects the burners so that it looks like Feng Shui, you have more burners. The more burners you have, the more prosperity you have. Okay. So like those are 2 really easy things you can do. You can also tie red strings around the base of your toilet as well, because that will help slow down the energy going down the drain.
Perfect. So keep things clean. Keep your oven especially clean if you want to make more money. Your kitchen or your bathroom door closed, the toilet closed. Those are just a few ideas how you can do Feng Shui in your house right now. Stephanie has a podcast at Rumble Interiors. It's down below if you want to click and learn more about Feng Shui. Thank you, Stephanie.
Yeah, thank you.